Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can download your Google Slides file in different file formats such as PNG and PDF file here in Google Slides software. Now this tutorial will be a very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow one, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first timer in using this software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process in detail on how you can download your file on different file formats. Now, this tutorial can be very useful, especially if you would like to transfer your file in another computer in which the only available software is PowerPoint, for example. And you can also do this if you want to download a specific slide, let's say for example this slide as a PNG file or a picture format. Now, before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using is completely up to date. And this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now, to download your file in different file formats, all you have to do is to focus on the upper panel of your screen right over here, in which you can see the different tabs right here under the file name. Now, I want you to click on the first tab, which is the File tab, which will drop down tons of options that we can choose from. From here, all you have to do is to hover your mouse on the download option, which will give you a drop down of the different formats that you can download it to. Now, for most case scenario, you will probably go with PowerPoint or the PPTX file format so that you can open this file in your PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint app, or a plain text, PDF, and JPEG or PNG. Each one will only download the current slide as a picture format that you can send on different social media platforms. Now, let's say for example, I would like to download this Google Slides file as a PowerPoint file. All I have to do is to click on this one and wait for it to download automatically. And now, as you can see right here, I have it downloaded in my computer, which is this untitled presentation. Now, please note that whatever your file name is will be also the file name if you download your file. Now, let's see if I click on this one. As you can see right now, it will launch my PowerPoint software in my computer. As you can see right over here. Sorry, I don't have a product key on my Microsoft PowerPoint yet, but you get the point. Open it or PowerPoint software if you have one. And as simple as that, we can download our file in different file formats as long as it's supported by computer. Now, if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.